Yo, what is up guys, KosherTech here. So today we have a very interesting speaker to review. It's actually the Photive M90. I'm gonna show you guys the box. Now here's the box. Now, I got the speaker for $50 on Amazon, guys. And let's just get to it, man. Let's get to the video, let's go. Alright, so guys, I'm really stacked. I'm really excited for this one. So my boy had this speaker for a good minute. He kept on telling me, get it. So finally, I go on Amazon and I finally get it. Now, it's strange because this speaker retails $150 on Amazon. Its original price. However, it's always on sale for $49.99, so $50. So you could pick this bad boy up for $50, guys. Now, let me just show you guys the box one more time so you guys can see the specs for yourselves. That's the front of the box. You pause the video. And on the back of the box as well, you guys could pause the video. But anyways, let me run down on the specs. Now, this is IPX5 waterproof and dustproof Bluetooth speaker. Now, it does have an external base to it. I'll show you guys. It has HD sound, water resistant, Bluetooth, shockproof, auxiliary, hand-free phone calls. I mean, it's just absolute monster. You have up to 10 hours of battery here. So rugged design. Anyways, just absolute monster. Now, quickly, what comes inside is you have your auxiliary wire. I'll show you guys quickly. Male to male, so you can plug this into your phone, to your receiver, wherever the hell you want to plug this into. And of course, you have your micro USB for charging. That's all that comes with it. See the micro USB charging in this USB-C. So that's basically it, and that's all you get. Now, this is the bad boy, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna show you guys. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Now, this handle is removable, guys, which is dope. You can have screws right here. I'm gonna go more into detail on that. But anyways, you have the front right over here. That's your power, volume up, down, play, and pause, as well as you could skip music. Now, quickly on the back, you have your beautiful woofer over here, which is going absolutely insane. And then also on the back here, I'm gonna open it up for you guys. You have your power, your auxiliary, and your micro USB to charge the Bluetooth speaker. And that's basically it. I mean, it's very simplistic. No extra bells and whistles, you know, just very simple. Listen, very light for this rugged design. I mean, this thing looks absolutely beastly. Look at this, $50. You get this for $50, guys. This is absolutely insane. Very rugged design. You know, I could even throw this on something or someone and it's gonna be functionable. But anyways, you could remove the front shield. This is aluminum. We're gonna get to that in a minute. But everything in the speaker you could remove. So you see these screws that I was telling you guys earlier? You could remove these screws and to get rid of this handle. So again, now these screws, these little screws are all Allen key screws. All you need is just an Allen key and just screw everything off. But anyways, let's demo some music. This thing honestly did blow my mind. And of course, what I want to do is I want to show you guys the interior as well. We're going to remove the shield. But anyways, let's quickly demo some music. Lastly, I actually did forget to mention, you could actually screw the speaker on. As you guys could see, you could actually mount this on a, I don't know, like a tripod or something, whatever. Has this screw attachment. But yeah, but that's it. Anyways, let's get into some music, guys. Let's go. When it does that, when you hear that bing bing, that means volume was ready at its maximum. So let's go. Guys, this thing for $50 is absolutely insane. This is like a bass heavy hitter, guys. I mean, I'm shocked. I mean, just the design, just look at this, man. Just like punching this thing, just the design is just absolutely amazing. Listen, the sound quality is beautiful. If you need a speaker to go on the beach, You need a speaker when you're playing ball, when you're chilling with your boys, you want to listen to some music. You know, this for $50, man, absolutely crazy. But anyways, let me take this shroud off and again play some music as well. Let's go. All right, y'all guys, so the front cover is removed. Now this is it right here. It's actually a really good design. Aluminum, not plastic. It's more of aluminum. Very nice design. Now this is the speaker drivers. So you can see the 2 speaker drivers right over here. Now as well, let me put it a little closer. Now as well, you could actually remove these speaker drivers. There's standard Phillips head screwdrivers in the speaker drivers, as well as there's same thing all the way inside here. So you essentially could remove this whole entire piece and actually see the internals of this speaker. But anyways, I want to play some music and it just looks absolutely amazing. One more time, guys, give it that nice look. This is very, very dope. And of course, we have the woofer here blowing out all the air. But anyways, let's see if this works. I'm gonna hit play. Again, max volume. Something fell. Anyways, absolutely amazing. Let's play one last song. We got the KosherTech classic. Let's hit it.
Close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. All these empty faces talking about problems, I don't care. I can't wait till sundown cause my body's aching. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night feeling like we're young. Acting like tomorrow never comes.
Guys, these guys don't understand, man. For the price of $50, like I said, it's always on sale for $50. I think one time I only saw it for $150, but every time it's on sale for $50. If you're looking to get a Bluetooth speaker that packs a punch, that has great battery life, that has all these awesome features, definitely this M90, this Photive, however you pronounce this amazing speaker, you definitely go out and cop it. For $50, you're not gonna hate it. I mean, it's just, I was shocked for the price. I mean, it's actually, and it looks big, it looks heavy, but it's not. It's like decent weight. I'm gonna have all the specs, everything in the description below, the links to the speaker. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Honestly, this thing is absolutely a beast because now you have all these Bluetooth speakers that are just so expensive, and the features that I actually offer is just not worth it. On the other hand, this bad boy is 100% a beast, guys. But like I said, everything's gonna be in the description below. Let me know what you guys thought. I'm out. Deuces.